Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hamburg tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 teaspoon each of dried senna leaves, dried elderflower, and dried peppermint leaves. Make sure you also have 1 cup of hot, but not boiling, water ready. These natural components combine to create a soothing and effective beverage. Now that you have your ingredients, let's combine them. Carefully place the 1 teaspoon of dried senna leaves into your favorite teacup. Next, add the 1 teaspoon of dried elderflower, followed by the 1 teaspoon of dried peppermint leaves. Make sure all the dried herbs are settled at the bottom of the cup, ready for the next step. With your herbs in the cup, it's time to brew. Pour 1 cup of hot water directly over the mixture. Immediately cover your teacup to keep the heat and beneficial vapors inside. Allow the tea to steep for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Steeping for this duration ensures optimal flavor and potency without becoming too strong. Once steeped, carefully strain the tea to remove all the herbal leaves, leaving only the liquid. Discard the used herbs responsibly. Your Hamburg tea is now ready to be enjoyed. It is best served warm. Many people prefer to drink 1 cup of this tea in the evening to experience its full benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.